9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Alright, this is the last booth I went to in the TCI show. It's the Bandit booth. It was already getting late and people were starting to shut down booths, so I did the best I could, but there was a guy there, a dealer from St. Louis. The guy was very, very knowledgeable about the machines. Alright, so I'm going to show you in this video, I'm going to show you the SG40. I'm going to show you the new wheeled SG40W, stands for wheeled. And if you own an SG75, please, in the middle, it's not a long video, in the middle of the video, please watch this video. There's an update that you need to know about. It's about the clutch system on those machines. And I'll show you a still photograph. It'll have a part number on it, and then we'll go into the video. So if you own an SG75, at least watch. It ain't gonna kill you. Watch it. You may learn something that's out there for your machine that's a fix on it, should you have an original model, okay? It's about the clutch system, all right? Besides all that, sit back, watch it if you want to watch it, if you don't want to watch it. I don't think I was able to get very much in pricing in it due to the fact that the booths were closing, and only so much I could do. Anyway, God bless you all. Enjoy your Sunday. Sit back, watch it. If you got a comment, you want to know something, if I know it, I share it. Otherwise, I'll reach out for you and see if I can find out myself, you know, with the people I know around. Anyway, have a good one. The last booth is Bandit. This is the SG40. They do not come out remote control from the factory. That's, if you ever see someone with one of these, it's remote control. It's a gentleman in Florida that converts them, Dylan Harris. So these are manual over hydraulic. This is the ZT1844 got changed to this, the SG40. They changed a bunch of different things. I'll make a video, but I'll give you a quick thing. You can adjust the tracks now with an adjuster rather than having to manually pull your track forward. All right. They changed the mount down there to where how a machine swings on a pivot. They put a lock up top around the levers to lock it, so that way you can't go backwards without lifting this and run over your feet. They don't come with a backfill blade. That's something someone else puts on them. And they all come with a 38 horsepower Kohler Command electronic fuel injected engine. All right, very nimble machine. This one has the New River wheel on it. It's called the Rev Light, so it uses a different tooth than a normal New River. Typically, they're shorter. Price-wise, I don't have a price on that. That's something you got to contact your dealer if you have one. I'll try to get a price for you. This is the SG40W, which the W stands for wheeled. It is a true four-wheel drive machine. All right, it has locking pins in the back to prevent any creep. I'm not a wheeled guy as far as this machine. I believe the track system on SG40 is a better way to go. But basically it's the same exact machine, just wheeled, all right? Just a different drive system on it. Everything else was basically the same machine. Same belt cutting system, same engine, same controls up top. And I'll make a video showing you the difference between a ZT and an SG in the near future. One more thing, the SG40 wheel costs more than an SG40 track because it has 4 drive motors on it. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, so that's how the machine looks. There you go. And then this here is your SG75, very popular machine out. This machine does not come with hydraulic controls. This is all remote. All right, these tracks come in. I have a whole video on the running of this machine, some facts on it. You look on the channel, you'll find it. It's got a Kohler diesel in it, 75. I guess it's a 74 horsepower. Don't quote me because I don't have it in front of me. Hold on right here, I'll tell you which motor is in here. This will cut 32 inches high, cutter depth 23, the swing is 80 inch. All right, and engine size, it doesn't have it on here, but I'll get that. A 74 horsepower Kohler diesel, which those Kohler diesels are actually a combination of Bombardier, which a lot of people don't tell you. 2650, and this is remote.
Correct.
Only. What motor is in this thing? So this one's a Kohler also?
Let me double check. I believe it's a 74 horse Kohler.
This one has the same motor as the SG75. It's got the Kohler, which is Bombardier, 74 horsepower, and it runs hydraulic to hydraulic. This one here is gearbox to gearbox. All right. So what do these go for?
I don't know what this 2650 is. She can look it up.
She's gonna look it up for us. This one's remote, and you say how much, Brenda? About
8,000, but don't like quote me.
no, for the total price.
87.
87,000 for this one. And it goes through a 35 inch gate or 36. It goes to 35 because like I push 2550s. All right. There is the next model bigger than these two is your what?
2890.
2890.
Above this one?
Yes.
It's the 2890. Yes.
What does it run? Motor in it?
Cat 120 horse diesel.
Okay, diesel.
Or a gas 165.
And that's the biggest machine you make.
We make a 2900.
You make I remember the 2900. It's got a
It's
gas
track.
motor.
It has the same motor, Cat 120
Or the GM.
It's a Ford 165.
Ford. Oh, it's a Ford. Okay, gas motor.
But the 2900 is on tracks. The 2890 is self.
Okay, so that's what makes the difference.
2890 is self.
28 is a wheeled machine. All right, and the 2900 is a tracked machine. All right, even I have been running these things a long time. I didn't know the designation difference.
Yeah.
All right, that's us from Bandit.